Hey plastic model builders, welcome back. We are going to be dipping some clear parts in future floor gloss, also known as Pledge Revive It now. I've got some window cleaner. Dip that into window cleaner. I've already cleaned these parts once. This is just a little extra because it's got some alcohol in it. Pull them out from the cleaner, let them dry. I've got a piece of paper there, it leaves less fibers. So use that. As you see, same thing, just pulling it out like so. Got one of the bigger glass windows right there. So there it is, Pledge Revive It. That's what it looks like. I've got my glass, dip it a couple times. You want to make sure you don't have air bubbles in there. Lean it a certain direction so all the liquid just kind of flows right up. Another one of these parts and you'll see, shake the excess off. Same thing, lay it down on a corner, that way it soaks up some of that excess and drag it out a little bit. Bigger part right here, it's one of my bigger windows. From a B25J Mitchell from Revell. The model had two parts, so that's what we did. And you see it kind of puddles up there in the corner. Get rid of it. And it's real simple. Once you're done, just put those in a container to keep them until you're ready to use. That way everything looks pretty. And you see, I made it look pretty. It's model making madness. Anyway, this is it. That's how you dip your clear parts in future or revive it. Very simple. Don't be afraid to try it. Quick recap, doing it again, just like this. Don't forget to subscribe because we love subscribes. Here's one of our recommended videos. Watch some of our featured models. Give us some comments and likes. And until next time, of course, see ya.